Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and in today's episode, I'll show you a little trick on how to fix an Anthony pool filter leak. Many of my customers have old style pools that are 20, 25, even 30 years old. In this video, you see an Anthony filter system leaking. Around the filter is a band, as well as a rubber O-ring, which can be worn over the years, constantly stretching and pulling as you turn your system on and off. Here you see a filter leaking badly at the beginning of the season. My customer gave me a call and I gave him this quick tip. He removed the band, took out the O-ring, put some Vaseline on it and stuck it in the freezer for about an hour. When you put the O-ring back in and put the belly band on and tight, as you can see, it ran smoothly. Now this is just a quick pinch, but you may not always have time to go out and buy a new O-ring. I only take apart the filter maybe once every 3 years. But if you do take it off, be sure to use some Vaseline to lube it up and store it properly for next season. Thanks for listening to the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and I'll see you at the pool.